Oh, yeah. Hello, the wife here. I just woke up from a marvelous Sunday afternoon nap. I got about 30 minutes of actual sleep, but anyone with 4 kids knows that that's quite the feat. Paul just told me that I need to come to my parents' house and pick up my dad's truck. Right there. She's a beaut, Clark. He's changing out the handles inside of it, I guess. They've been in Florida for 3 weeks, so they'll be so excited to have changed handles when they get back. He said he can't fit into it as good as me, so I get to be the driver. My dad's an old farmer. Oh wow, it's a lot cleaner than I thought it was going to be in here. Anyways, this is why, this right here is why Paul's going to fix them. When my dad drives this, pretty sure he doesn't get over 45. Let's see if we can get it over 55. We live pretty close to each other, so I don't have much time. Oh, we're getting there. I just had to check to see if it can do over 45. She can. She's a little old stick shift too. I didn't realize that when I started. I'm like, why is this thing not starting? Stick shift. Guess I'll roll the window down to open the door. Okay. I didn't realize that truck was a stick shift for just about a split second. I thought the battery was dead because it wasn't starting. It's not even as dirty as I thought it was going to be in his old truck.
Isn't it?
No, there's only a couple of things.
Oh, I thought it would be.
Nope, you could have totally went and got it and fit.
Fixed.
Oh, shut it and open it. Let's see if it works.
There you go, Grandpa. Fixed.
All right, we're going back to Grandpa's house. He needs to fix this thing too. That's a pain. Back to Grandpa's house we go. Oh, burn out, young girl. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, yeah.